this is the connector that will be used with the 3-color strip light. This connector can be used with the 3-color strip light, and here you can see there are 3 terminals, right? So if you want to connect the 3 terminals, then this way is correct, right? If there is not any soldering, or if there is a soldering but in less quantity, then the terminal will touch the SMD. If the terminal will touch the strip light, that definitely it will damage. So you need to cut every time the strip light, so that here you can see the soldering, so that the terminal can be touched with the strip light easily in this method. Now it is perfect. In this strip light you have the option to choose the color. This is 4000K neutral white color, this is 6500 Kelvin daylight white color, this is 3000 Kelvin warm white color. It means one strip light has 3 colors. Any color can be chosen by you, each per your choice. 4000 Kelvin, 6500 Kelvin and 3000 Kelvin.